Hi everyone, greetings of the day. See you again. Welcome again to Amami channel. Still with me Imran here. Today I would like to discuss how to prepare and complete a final account reports for construction projects in the oil and gas field. When the project nears the end of completion, we should prepare and complete two important final project completion reports. First, final accounts, as seen on the screen here, that we will discuss it later, and the second, project closeout report. Final accounts is the conclusion of the contract value, including the necessary adjustment, starting from the final contracts, supplement contracts, consisting of contract discovering, change orders, additional works, field notices, supporting works, for example, for civil works, and supporting works for pre-commissioning works. And this final accounts includes all works that is payables to the contractor according to the contract. While a project closeout report is a comprehensive document that details important project aspects and records variance surrounding a project's budget, timeline, and scope. Typically, a report reviews the entirety of a project, offering insight into the project manager's ability to execute the project's process successfully. The report also offers an opportunity to explain reason for any planned deviation that may have affected the project's overall schedule, overall cost. This project closeout including basic project information, deliverable list, project summary, budget review, timeline review, scope change, resources review, project document, and upcoming dates for next projects. Related to the above explanation, now I would like to discuss how to prepare a final account report and what kind of report and document are included in it. Let's discuss it together. This time, I focus on how to prepare a final account for the mechanical project scope. However, in general, that's how it will be to prepare a final account report with different documents according to the scope of the project. The final account for this mechanical project consists of three main Excel files. First, as seen on the screen here, this is original contract and final work volume. Yes, and the second is, as seen on the screen here, this is supporting work out of mechanical works, and the last one is, this is manpower supply for pre-commissioning work. Okay, we back again to the first section. Okay, original contract and final work volume. Before I go into more detail, I would like to inform you that the three parts of the Excel file, apart from the original contracts, I classify any changes or additions to the scope of work in the change orders classification. Then from the change orders, further I classify them into the supplement contracts. Well, let's discuss them one by one. In the first section, as seen on the screen here, this is the original contract and final work volume that consists 9 worksheets here. Okay. First, any final account summary, and the second is any final account breakdown. Any final mechanical quantity means final work volume and direct cost breakdown for mechanical works. And any change order number 4, this is for additional works. And then any change order number 6, this is for work discovering. And change order number 7 here, this is for supply additional direct materials, in this case Sika routing supply. And any change order number 8 here, this is for additional work also. And the last one is any change order number 9 here, this is adjustment cost during extension periods, and its summary here. Okay, again, then the change orders are classified into the pipe supplement contract. Okay, this is any beside original subcontract, I classify them into supplement contract. Okay, any supplement contract number 1 here, this is for change order number 4. Any supplement contract number 2 for change order number 6, and any supplement contract number 3 for change order number 7, any supplement contract number 4, this is change order number 8, and any supplement contract number 5A, this is for change order number 9 here. Again, I would like to remind you all section, worksheet and cells in this Excel file are integrated with the formulation therein. Okay, and of course this is adjustable and updatable to your project's nature. All you have to do is follow the formulation inside the cells until you find the section or cells that are inputted manually. Okay, means that is the place that is the place where you can change it into your project nature. Let's move to the second part. Okay, let's move to the second part here. Okay, sorry. Yes, this is supporting works out of mechanical work consisting of 7 worksheets here. This is any final account summary, any final account breakdown here, any change order number 1, this is for highway trailer rental with a capacity 25 ton here, and this is change order number 2. Change order number 2 means mobile crane rental, capacity 150 ton. And any change order number 3 here, this is for mobile crane rental with a capacity 35 ton, 45 ton here, 45 ton, lobby trailer with a capacity 40 ton here, and for welding machine rental here. Okay, any change order number 5 here, this is for mobile crane 45 ton rental, and any change order number 10 here, this is for other supporting works. This is for other tool materials supply. Yes, other tool and material supply. Okay, this is for other supporting works. Okay. Okay, we back again to the final account summary. Okay. Then the change orders. Yes, the change orders. Same like the above, I classify them into the pipe supplement contract. Okay, supplement contract here. This is supplement contract 5B. This is for change order number 1, and then any supplement contract number 6. This is for change order number 2, and this is any supplement contract number 7. This is change order number 3, and this is any supplement contract number 8. This is for change order number 5, and the last one is any supplement contract number 9 for change order number 10 here. Okay, just like the previous ones, that all sections here, worksheet and cells in this Excel file are integrated with the formulation therein. Then of course, this is adjustable and adaptable to your project's nature. All you have to do is follow the formulation inside the cell until you find the section or cells are inputted manually. That's the place you change it as your project nature. Okay. Okay. Then we move to the last section here. Okay, as seen on the screen here, this is Manpower Supply for pre-commissioning work. These sections consist of 4 worksheets here. Any final account summary here, okay, and then any final account breakdown here, this is, and then any Manpower Supply cost summary here, this is, as well as change order number 11, change order number 11, and the last one is any Manpower Supply cost breakdowns here, okay, and then I classify them also to the supplement contract. Okay, this is the last supplement contract here. This is supplement contract number 10. This is for change order number 11. Okay, and then Excel file here, just like the same as previous one. That all sections here, worksheets, cells in this Excel file integrated with the formulation inside the cell, and of course this is adjust tables and update tables to your project's methods. All you have to do is just follow the formulation inside the cells until you find the cell that inputted manually. So means that's the place for you to update it, to change it as your project natures. Okay, it's just my discussions in outline about how to prepare and complete a final account report. Okay, indeed this is just only a reference. Of course it will be depend on the scope of your project and the kind of work in it. Hopefully it will be useful for you in making it easier for you to prepare related work. Okay, I was wondering if you would be able to like, comment and subscribe to my video, because it is very useful for me for growth of my YouTube channels. Without your support, all of this would be mean nothing. And at the same time, I share always my knowledge and experience in the construction project management in the oil and gas field. Okay, see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and Allah's mercy and blessing.